Lower back pain affects about 8 out of 10 people. It can be caused by a variety of things like overexertion or injury. For people with chronic and severe cases, everyday activities are painful and often impossible. Surgery used to be the last resort, but now there's a new approach. It's called spinal decompression, and there's a center right here in Amarillo.
It's a good idea if we start where it originated from, and I think you'll find it very interesting. It was actually NASA that first investigated the effects of lumbar decompression on vertebral discs. In fact, it was space travel that led to the advancements in technology that enable us to recreate the effects of anti-gravity here on Earth. During the manned space flights, it was discovered that the actual discs increased in height as a result of anti-gravity effects. Here on Earth, we have the effects of gravity. And so we've got this pressure building on our discs in normal life. And then we age, and then we have overexertion, strenuous movements, sometimes accidents happen. And now more and more pressure builds up. And the pressure, it can cause discs to bulge, even bulging discs. More pressure can actually cause a rupture or herniation of the disc. The pressure literally degenerates the discs. Can lead to facet syndrome, can lead to sciatica. Low back pain forces many people to go to the doctors, to go to the hospital. In fact, it's the #1 reason people visit a neurologist. It's the #1 reason people visit an orthopedist. And it's the #2 reason for hospitalization. It's virtually an epidemic in this country.
This is similar to what your disc looked like. It was a bulged disc.
Tim Bixenman lived with debilitating lower back pain for as long as he can remember.
I just lived with it for years and put up with the pain and thought, well, I guess this is part of being old, is pain, and I put up with it. And it got to the point where I just, had to do something.
That something was spinal decompression. It looks a little strange, but it's pretty simple. Patients like Tim are placed in harnesses and put on a table that gently tugs and releases them.